you're staring at your Chime credit card, wondering if you can pull out some cold, hard cash. Trust me, I've been there. Let's talk about the burning question. Can you actually withdraw money from your Chime credit card? Now, I know what you're thinking. Credit cards are for swiping, right? Not so fast, friend. There's a little more to it than that. First off, let's clarify something. Chime doesn't offer a traditional credit card. What they do offer is a credit builder card. It's a stepping stone to building credit, and it's different from your regular credit card. So, can you withdraw cash from a Chime credit builder card? The short answer is yes, you can. But there are a few things you need to know. Unlike your regular credit card, which usually hits you with hefty fees and interest for cash advances, the Chime Credit Builder card is a bit more forgiving. You can withdraw cash at over 60,000 fee-free ATMs across the country. That's right, no ATM fees. However, there's a catch: you can only withdraw up to a certain amount per day. But wait, there's more. If you're in a pinch and can't find one of those fee-free ATMs, you can always try your luck at a regular ATM. However, be prepared to pay a fee. Not only will Chime charge you a fee, but the ATM owner might hit you with one too. So, it's usually not the best option unless you're in a real emergency. Now, let's talk about over-the-counter withdrawals. Yes, you can actually withdraw cash from your Chime account at a bank or credit union. But, just like with regular ATMs, there's a fee involved. It's the same $2.50 fee as an out-of-network ATM withdrawal. So, should you withdraw cash from your Chime Credit Builder card? Well, it depends. If you need cash fast and don't have other options, it might be your best bet. But, keep in mind that using your credit card for cash withdrawals can impact your credit score. It's generally better to use your debit card or find another way to get cash if possible. To sum it up, you can withdraw money from your Chime Credit Builder card, but it's not always the best idea. Be aware of the fees, limits, and potential impact on your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.